Thousands of people are going crazy over these woodworking plans that TED is offering. Let me show you why in the next couple of minutes. It's the product that claims to take the fear out of DIY woodworking by providing you with a colossal array of 16,000 easy-to-follow plans. The question on everyone's mind? Can TEDS Woodworking actually deliver on its promise to make woodworking accessible for beginners while offering enough variety to satisfy seasoned pros? Is it the secret tool that could help you create stunning, professional woodworking projects with ease and speed, even if you don't own a fully equipped workshop or top-tier tools? Today, we will unmask the true potential of TEDS Woodworking and uncover whether it is your golden ticket to master-level craftsmanship. So let's dive right in and get to the nuts and bolts of this product. Taking a factual dive into TEDS Woodworking, let's talk numbers. Boasting an impressive set of 16,000 woodworking plans, it's hard to overstate the sheer volume of projects available. This is not just a collection, it's a vast goldmine for beginners and pros alike. Each detailed plan is a footpath leading to a particular woodworking project, meaning infinite creativity for all woodworking enthusiasts. And it's not just about the numerous design choices available, it's also about the detail and precision embedded into each set of instructions. You'll find, as many others have, that these woodworking guides leave absolutely nothing to guesswork. This kind of clarity isn't commonplace, it's extraordinary. But that's what TEDS Woodworking is all about. Providing extraordinary value, empowering you to create extraordinary pieces. The standout feature of TEDS Woodworking is its wealth of content. Imagine a universe of 16,000 woodworking projects all in one place, complete with done-for-you step-by-step guides, detailed schematics, and diagrams. This is the promise TEDS Woodworking delivers, a library that would take us years or even decades to amass, ready at our fingertips. It's not just about quantity, as the quality is top-notch and designed with simplicity in mind. Each plan is detailed enough to eliminate any guesswork, and yet simple enough for a beginner to successfully undertake. Can you see how empowering this can be for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike? In short, TEDS Woodworking equips you with the tools to create like a master craftsman. So does TEDS Woodworking really live up to the hype? Absolutely. Remember, this is not an ordinary set of plans. It's a collection that spans more than 2 decades of woodworking experience, leading to over 16,000 projects that cover a wide range of skill levels. A huge plus that sets it apart is the inclusion of detailed schematics with each plan. This leaves no room for guesswork and makes even the most challenging projects a breeze. Each plan comes with a step-by-step guide that takes you by the hand, from one stage of the project to another, making it super easy even for beginners. Besides, most woodworking plans overlook materials and cutting lists, but TEDS Woodworking is different. It provides you with a precise cutting and materials list for every single project. You'll never waste money buying the wrong wood or materials again. Plus, the plans are suitable for anyone, from total beginners to seasoned professionals. It's like having a master woodworker by your side guiding you through the project. Now that's convenience you won't find elsewhere. If you're a novice and have doubts about keeping pace with these woodworking projects, simply push those thoughts aside. With TEDS Woodworking, you're given all the help you could possibly need. There's training, coaching, and an incredible amount of support. Importantly, you're not just buying woodworking plans, you're investing in a complete woodworking course. You'll receive detailed guidance that's suitable for everyone from complete beginners to seasoned professionals and those in between. And when you invest in TEDS Woodworking, you're not alone. There is a dedicated support team ready to help you when you need. From assisting with common woodworking issues to helping you understand the plans better, they've got your back. Think of it like having a mentor guiding you every step of the way as you learn and hone your woodworking skills. And yes, rest assured, the deal is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's a big tick for peace of mind. Considering the substantial number of projects you'll be equipped to tackle, it's clear to see that TEDS Woodworking offers incredible value for your investment. Jump right in and start your woodworking journey by clicking the link below this video. This phenomenal database gives you step-by-step instructions on 16,000 projects, exact cutting and materials list for every project, colorful and detailed schematics, views from all angles, and it's suitable for both beginners and pros. No more time wasted on incomplete plans or incorrect materials. With TEDS Woodworking, creating beautiful and well-crafted woodworking projects will become second nature. Get started now.